Oh, what are you doing?
Filming you.
See the mucus.
You're a grog. We're in the library. Be quiet.
What? What?
Weird.
There's gotta be a bit. Oh, here we go. That's the same one. I'm getting really frustrated.
You're getting frustrated. I'm getting frustrated watching you get frustrated.
Stop fucking filming me.
No?
Stop filming me.
Do your work. Sandra Fogel.
Yeah.
Weird. Let's go.
Can you work this out?
I don't know if that was a teacher or not. I just see this Gumby looking kid walk past. Can I what?
Can you work this out?
What? No. I have jeans on underneath my jacket.
What? What other shit?
I want some of your Gatorade, but you're a fucking germ. Kate's finishing in 5, 4, 3.